So now the next problem, trapezoidal method, one of the easiest method in projection of lines. Listen here. So the problem is, you can take down the problem. The distance between the projector of 2 points is 70 mm. You can take down the problem. The distance between the projector of 2 points is 70 mm. Point A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Point A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Point B is 50 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Find the true length and inclinations. So they are asking you to calculate true length and inclinations. That means what they gave? Apparent length. Is it clear? Okay. So again I'll read the problem. The distance between the projector of 2 points is 70 mm. Point A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Point B is 50 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Find the true length and inclinations. Okay. So here in this problem, whenever I am reading that n projector means, I can say that they gave the apparent length. I told you now, n projector is nothing but the distance between, horizontal distance between A dash to B dash. So definitely they gave the apparent length. So now I want you to solve step by step. While it is coming on the screen, you have to solve it. Okay. So draw a horizontal line XY and VP and HP. It's one of the easiest method. That's only I said. Okay. If suppose you can't solve in any other method, if they did not ask solve by using rotating line method, you can use the same problem and solve it by using trapezoidal method. Are you getting? If suppose they did not mention solve by rotating line method, you can solve by using trapezoidal method. Did you draw this? So why I put VP and HP? Any idea? Which kind of projection it is? First angle, second angle, or third angle, or fourth angle? First angle projection. So vertical plane is up, horizontal plane is down. Okay. So mark the point above HP 10 mm. The point is A dash. Mark it. Draw the line. One by one you do it. And then on the same A dash line, vertical line, 15 mm from XY, mark the point A. So trapezoidal method. Then next step, draw the n projector, a vertical line from A dash A. The horizontal distance is 70 mm. Is it clear? Is it clear? Did you complete up to this? So after this, the above HP distance they gave us 50 mm. Above 50 mm. Draw a horizontal line. The n projector line and the 50 mm above HP line will intersect a point. That point is your B dash. Can anyone say why I am marking B dash instead of B1 dash? Because the given is apparent length, n projector. Okay. Are you getting this? Can we go for the next step? So what will be the next step? 40 mm in front of VP. Draw a horizontal line that will intersect with the n projector line. That point is your B. Did you solve up to this? So shall we join A dash to B dash and A to B now? See here, A dash to B dash, there is nothing but apparent length 1. Am I right? Apparent length 1. And it will have an angle of alpha. You got one answer. Did they give angle? Did they give apparent angle? No. Okay, so you have to calculate what is alpha. Okay. After that you join AB, that is your apparent length 2. So that angle is, so alpha beta you got. So up to this, if you are completing, they will give 10 marks. Okay. So what do you have to calculate the remaining? True length and true inclinations. Okay. Any volunteer how to calculate? So it's a trapezoidal method, it's a new method you got solved by the previous one. But very easy and simple. Listen here. Listen after this. How many have you completed after this? I want everyone to complete because it's the very easiest method. Completed? Okay, now listen here. Listen here. Draw a line. Listen here. Draw a line perpendicular to A dash B dash from A dash. Already you are having a line. Am I right? In that line from A dash you mark 15 mm. Are you getting this? Are you getting? From A dash, the line perpendicular to A dash B dash, mark a point 15 mm, that is your A. Can you tell me which one is 15 mm here? The in front of VP distance you are marking the distance from A dash to A. Is it clear? But it should be, which one should be, you have to be noted, there is the line A dash B dash and the line you drawn should be perpendicular. Okay? Can you tell me what is this? What I did now? In the other end B dash, I took 40 mm, there is nothing but in front of VP distance, and I marked the point B. Now the line AB is your true length. Is it easy? Is it easy? Instead of rotating, are you getting this? Is it easy? Instead of rotating line method. You do not understand. Listen here. How many of you understood this? The in front of VP distance simply you are making in the front view. Okay? Those who did not understand, listen here. How you are getting the true length in the top view? It's similar to the. Can you make it? Make it now. Now, how to mark theta and phi is very important. Don't put a horizontal line. Listen here. It's a true length AB. Theta, how did I mark? Did you understand now? A line which is perpendicular to the line A. Are you getting? Similarly, the phi should be, can you tell me? The phi should be exactly the same perpendicular line which is joining AB. Okay. So remaining things I explained to you. So any doubts how to get these points? You know how to get AB. Am I right? So that is your true length. So in the similar way, so the angle made by AB is theta now. Don't mark alpha. Okay. So in the similar way, in the top view, take the above HP distance 10 mm and mark a point as A. And from the B point, you mark a point of 50 mm and join these two. That is your true length. Okay. So can anyone say why I am giving the same letter AB, AB? Same length. So no need of any confusion. So only I made it like this. Same length. Okay, angle will vary. So only I am giving different notations. Theta and phi. Okay. Hey, don't make any mistake in this. Very easiest one. Okay.